Hey friends, welcome to snowy Colorado. It's cold outside today, which means it's a perfect opportunity to test out a new piece of gear. This is a heated vest made by Badass Moto. In today's video, what we're gonna do is take a closer look. I'm gonna show you the features, show you how to set it up. We're gonna give our thorough review on what we think of this new product. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's take a closer look at the vest. As you can see, we have our logo over here on the left breast pocket. And then you have the buttons down here that control the different zones of heat. Now down here, we've got a couple of zip pockets that allow, again, some storage space, place your hands maybe. Again, some nice zippers on either side of those. And then we have the main zipper up and down the vest to allow venting. Now the sides have an interesting feature as well. There's another zipper that we can zip down, and this is going to reveal some extra stretch material that allows the vest to open up a little bit more. So again, if you just need a little size adjustment, this can add a few extra inches around your waist and chest area to allow for proper fit. Now this also comes with 2 power packs, which is really, really nice. You're gonna get a long lasting battery that again doubles here. We can plug this into our vest and we can get long heat for maybe those long motorcycle rides, long walks, long hikes outside. Now the battery packs are charged with a USB cable. There's 2 of these that are also included. It's a USB-C cable. So we'll plug that in. We'll give it a nice full charge as indicated by these little lights up front. You can stick your charging port, as you can see, in right here. And then again, we have the out ports, and that's what's gonna plug into the vest. You actually have 2 out ports. You can be charging a cell phone on the other port as you're heating your vest. Again, a nice little feature here with these battery packs. So with the vest unzipped, we can get a closer look at the inner lining. This is some nice fleece, so this is gonna be decently warm even without the battery packs on. And then over here, we have a little zipper pocket. And inside this is where we're gonna find our little connection cable. When we pop off this little cap, you can see we have that nice USB port that plugs directly into the battery pack and gives the vest its power. Okay, we can plug the vest in there, and then we are ready to power up. There's a little power button over here on the side. I'm just gonna push and hold that for a second. And as you can see, we get our lights lighting up. We have a full charge, and then we can basically just stick that straight into our pocket, close up the zipper, and now we're ready to fire things up using our buttons here on the outside. Okay, so with the battery pack installed, we can now activate all of the heat features. And we're gonna do that by using this little button system down here. So as you can see, there's multiple zones. What you use, push and hold for roughly 3 seconds, the zone you wanna enable, and it's gonna come on with a red light. Now that red light is the highest heat. So right now I've got all that heat pushed onto my back. Now we can control each of the zones individually. So I can go ahead and push this, and now the front pockets are gonna light up again with that high heat on red. We could also do that for the shoulder area by pushing the button over here. Now, all 3 areas are going to be lit up with that heat. Now, remember, with it on full high, the battery is going to be drained pretty quickly. So if you want to adjust that, maybe you're not as cold in the environment, we can actually push just once, and this is going to go to a white. Again, you can do that for each individual zone. That's going to be your medium heat. And then one more push is going to go blue with the lights around, and that is going to indicate we are in the low heat mode, and this is also going to allow the battery to last as long as possible. Again, pushing and holding for 3 seconds turns them off. Now, overall, the jacket is a good experience. Don't expect to just get blown away with like a furnace or a heater. It just adds this nice little layer of warmth that you can definitely feel. I think having this on during a motorcycle ride or a bike ride outdoors, or like we're gonna use it, is just walking our dogs at night. It really is like adding an extra layer of heat, and you can feel it just kind of warming those general areas and keeping you nice and snug. So overall, we're gonna give it a thumbs up. I definitely think it's a cool product, and I think it's definitely gonna keep you a little extra warm in those cold environments. Go check it out for yourself right here on Amazon. If this has helped, we do a ton of these gear reviews all the time. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again on the next one.